Welcome to our review of the Bing Chat Upgraded Professional Drone. This drone features a 4K HD camera with 3-axis gimbal and EIS anti-shake system, capturing stunning images and videos with ease. Enjoy extended flight times of up to 84 minutes with two 11.1-volt 8,000 mAh batteries, allowing you to capture more footage and explore further. The drone also features a Payload Release Function and 360-degree Laser Obstacle Avoidance for added safety and fun. The drone's tablet touchscreen controller features an Android system with Google support, allowing you to download any app from the Google Play Store. Use social media, watch movies, or play mobile games with ease. With a 5-mile-long range and 2,624 feet height, the drone's transmission signal is stable and secure. Enjoy features like time-lapse shooting, follow me, GPS safe height auto return, and more. The Bing Chat Upgraded Professional Drone comes with a range of special features, including rainproof design, night vision mode, level 7 wind resistance, and low battery alarm. Find your drone easily and capture stunning footage with gesture control. With our commitment to quality and customer support, you can enjoy 1 year of free replacement support and 3 years of flight quality support. Get low-cost replacement parts and user guidance or flight issue support through our dedicated team. Get your Bing Chat Upgraded Professional Drone today and experience the thrill of aerial photography. With its advanced features, stable flight, and stunning image quality, this drone is perfect for capturing life's most thrilling moments. Whether you're a professional photographer or an enthusiast, the Bing Chat Upgraded Professional Drone is the perfect tool for capturing stunning aerial footage. Order now and start capturing breathtaking images and videos with the Bing Chat Upgraded Professional Drone. With its advanced features and dedicated customer support, this drone is sure to exceed your expectations.